Hello everyone, welcome to 90 Plus India's first animated live tuition. Good evening and welcome. Yes, hello. Where are you all? Yes, good evening. Let me see some wishes. Come on. Yes, good evening dears, good evening. How are you all? How are you all feeling? Energetic, full packed or what? Had your tea? Had your food? Completely full? Yes. Yes. Good evening, dears. Good evening. Good evening. Little sleepy. Who is sleepy? Don't be sleepy. This is not the time. Nah. Good evening, dears. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, you have a comment?
Yeah. I see the comment. Let it be there. Okay. So, why are we here today? What's new? Anything new? Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you for the comments. Yeah, I'm seeing your comments. Thank you. Okay, so today we have an amazing crew with us. We have your Mahima ma'am with you, your Aga sir, your Rahul sir for your technical issues. Yes, and more will be joining. More are on the way. Yes. And today the specialties we are going on live. We are on air. Yes. Okay, so let's show our energy, our amazing power to the YouTube family too. Okay. Yes, Mahima ma'am is here. Yes, she's there. Yes, some of you have a fan club there, right? Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, we have a lot of comments on
Yeah, thank you for the comments on me too. Okay. So what did we finish, guys? What did we stop? Yes, thank you so much. Yes. What did we stop? Let me see. Ma'am, can I talk to someone very quickly?
Okay.
Who is ready? Who is ready to talk to me?
Rijul.
Yes, Rijul. Where is Rijul?
Okay, we have a lot of hand raises by the way.
Yeah, everyone is ready to talk. I know. Okay. Hey Rijul, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. How are you?
What about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. I'm feeling good. So tell me, what did we stop in the previous class?
About the last chapter.
Yes, we finished. Yes,
Reproduction.
exactly. Yes. And we were done with the chapter, right? We finished the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
And today you all are ready for the chapter test, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay, Rijul, thank you. And in between, and hi, hello to the YouTube family too. Thank you so much for joining with us. Yes. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the fresh topic, fresh chapter. Okay, you all ready? Ready for the session? Give me a head shake. Let me see the energy. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on. So today we are gonna discuss your new chapter, chapter 6, reproduction in animals. Yes. Take your notebook, take your pen, get set. Yes. Okay. So this is going to be an amazing chapter where you will be seeing a lot of animations, you will be learning a lot of things, very interesting. Nothing is going to be boring. It's going to be a perfect chapter for you guys, right? So let's see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna start the session. Hope you all are ready. And any new joiners in between? Any new joiners? All the others can lower your hands. All the others can lower your hands. Let me see my new joiners. Please. Yes.
Okay, yes, we have.
Oh,
some
we
new
have.
students. Yeah, 1, 2, 3,
In
4.
between, I forgot
Yeah.
you guys actually.
About 7 or 8 new students, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, can you quickly call the names?
Okay,
Quickly
we
call
have
the names. Just names.
Najma, Shan Rashid, Ardra, Shahi Hamdan, then was Srihari, Alvina, Meenakshi, Nehrin, Aviya, Veda.
Okay. So yes, you all welcome. In between, I'll be talking to you. I'll be waiting for you in the last session of my class because I really need to talk to you all. So yeah, I'll be leaving a little bit time for you guys at the end of our class. We should talk. And welcome to our family. Welcome to biology. And my name is Alkka. I'm your biology tutor. Yes. So today let's start the chapter with the heading reproduction. Yes, reproduction. This is your first heading. This is your first topic. So in between, for the new joiners, when you're taking notes, keep the headings in your notebook and keep the small notes. Keep the notes crisp and clear. Don't keep writing all the things, and don't forget to listen to me. Okay, so when you're taking the notes, take crisp chota notes. Okay, fine. So what is reproduction? Let's see. So the process of producing offsprings, right? The process of producing offsprings or young ones is called reproduction. The creation of a new generation, right? That's a thumbnail, right? The creation of a new generation, creation, right? This is called reproduction, and it is essential for the continuation of a species. Yes, this is essential for the continuation of species. For a species to move on from one generation to the next generation, this process, this biological phenomenon should be happening. This has been happening for years, this is still happening, and this will keep happening. Yes. So when you're keeping the notes, keep it crisp. Do not ask me for the previous slide and waste our time, okay? You should keep up with my energy too. Yes. Don't lag off. Yes. So there are basically two types of reproduction. Okay, when we are discussing the heading reproduction, there are mainly two headings where we need to discuss the thing. The first one is sexual reproduction, and the second one is asexual reproduction. Yes, that's for the first slide. So here we basically discussed what reproduction is. Yes, very good. I can see the comments. Ashisha, very good. Exactly. There are two types of reproductions. One is sexual reproduction and the other one is asexual reproduction. So we are going to see these two headings in very detail. But today's class will be more dealing with the sexual reproduction part. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. So here you have your Tindumon with you, okay? So explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. This has been a PYQ. For the new joiners, ഞാൻ പറയാൻ മറന്നുപോയി, ഈ എംപ്ലം നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ കണ്ടാലും എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഓർത്തോണം, this is your Tinduman and he is telling you about your previous year questions. Okay, so this is a very important question. Keep it in mind, keep it in your note. Explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. Okay, so we will discuss the chapter along with some questions which is developed by the biology faculty of 90+. Okay, so you can take the heading, explain the importance of reproduction. So you can add on the notes to your notebook now. The first point is these processes are essential for the survival of every individual. So your first point, what is your first point? Write the question and write the answer. The first point is for the survival of every individual. It is essential for the survival. What is survival? What is survival? To live, right? To live without dying. That is survival. So in order to survive, every individual needs to reproduce their next generation. That's the first point. Second point is reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. Somewhat similar. It's somewhat similar point, but continuation of a species. You know there are certain extinct species, right? You know there are certain extinct species. Anyone, can you comment any extinct species? നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നതും എന്നാൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇല്ലാത്തതുമായ any species, do you know? Yes. Yeah, dodo, dinosaurs. Yes. Yeah, very good. Dodo is a very good example. It was a bird that lived on the earth and which is extinct now. Yeah, mammoth. Very good. Yeah, you got the concept, right? So in order for a species to move on without getting extinct, reproduction should take place. The third point is, it is very important as it ensures the continuation of similar kind of individuals generation after generation. So, continuation of similar kinds of individuals of the same type. If you are taking human beings, the same type of human being, the same species should continue from human beings to human beings. If you are taking dogs, a dog should produce another dog, it should produce another dog. That continuation should be there. So these are the major points to be discussed under the heading, what's the importance of reproduction. I hope you got the point. First point is, it is essential for the survival of every individual. Second point is, it is important for the continuation of a species. And the final point is, reproduction is important for the continuation of similar kind of individuals, not various, similar kind. If it's human, the human should continue from human. If it's a dog should continue from another dog. So continuation of an individual, similar individual. Is it clear? If this much is clear, give me a headshake. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Looks like you're busy with the notes. Don't be busy with the notes.
And they are asking for previous
Yeah.
slide also.
Okay. All the slides you're missing out, I can stay for you at the end of the session. Okay, I can stay back. But along with that, let me add on. Please don't ask for previous slide because I'm going very slowly. I'm not rushing you. Am I? I'm giving you enough time, right? Am I rushing you? Is the session very fast? Should I slow down? Yeah, show me some, give me some reactions. Should I slow down? Anything? Yeah, I think it's
This is
okay.
correct, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're giving thumbs up.
Okay, yes. So, even after that you're missing out certain slides, I can stay back for you. No problem. Don't get worried. Yes. Now let's discuss the two types of reproduction. First one is sexual reproduction. Yes. Let's discuss sexual reproduction. This is nothing in detail. I'm just giving you a one sentence explanation. That's all. I just need to introduce the chapter to you. For that, I'm giving you a one sentence explanation. That's all. So give the heading sexual reproduction. Let's see what it is. In sexual reproduction, an organism combines the genetic information from each of its parent and is genetically unique. Yeah, I know you got nothing. Let's discuss point by point. Yeah. You can write the points when I'm discussing it with you. Okay, don't keep writing and miss out the lecture. Okay. So what is sexual reproduction? Yeah, exactly, Ashisha. There are two gametes in sexual reproduction. You know, there will be a female gamete, there will be a male gamete, they will be fusing at some point and they will be producing a new organism. Right? That is basically sexual reproduction. This is just a technical explanation. Let's see what it is. So in sexual reproduction, an organism combines the genetic information. So yes, genetic information. Okay, I'll change the color. Genetic information is combining or fusing the genetic information. From where? Where is the genetic information coming from? From a male parent and a female parent, right? Genetic information from a male parent and a female parent is combined. Yes. And is genetically unique. And the newly forming organism is what? It is unique. Let's take yourself as an example. Who should I take? Give me some name. Somebody.
Gerald.
Okay, let's take Gerald as an example. So Gerald is a unique organism. Yeah, I can say like that. In the aspect of biology, I would say Gerald is a unique organism formed from his papa and his mama, right? So his genetic information are very unique. The information in his body, the genetic information in Gerald's body is completely unique. No one else has the same informations, right? Why is that so? Because The genetic information in Gerald's body is combined from his parents, right? His father and his mother. This is the same thing happening in every sexual reproduction. There will be a male parent, there will be a female parent, their genetic informations are fused and a new organism is produced. I know the lecture is getting bored, so we'll move on and see certain animations so that it will get more interesting. So can we move on? Let me move on from this slide. Okay. See. Here I'll show you a picture. And I think you got the image, right? You know what I'm going to explain, right? What am I going to explain? I'm going to explain sexual reproduction here. This is simple. Here I'm trying to show you okay, let me change the color. Here I'm trying to show you a male gamete. What is a male gamete called? Any idea? Let me see the comments. What's the name of the male gamete? The one from men? What is it? Yes, it's called sperm. So yeah, here you can see. Okay, the pen is gone. Here you can see some sperms, right? What about here? Here I am trying to depict an ova. What is an ova? It's a female gamete, right? The female gamete. You know it, right? Yeah. You can keep commenting, okay? So this is an egg, or you can call it an ovum. So what happens? What happens in a sexual reproduction? The egg combines with the sperm and it forms what? It forms a, what is it called? Egg combines with the sperm to form what? Yes, very good. Who is that? My mom, that comment.
Yes.
Who is the guy? The one who said
Bhagat.
Bhagat. Very good, Bhagat. You are the first one commented. What is the product called? Egg plus sperm equals zygote. Yes, and that product is called zygote. It is from this zygote a new. Yes, we have several other. Yeah, we have several comments. Right. Very good.
Yes,
very good.
we have all.
And it is from this zygote a new organism is produced. You, me, your Mahima ma'am, everyone, every living creature was once a zygote, right? We all developed from this single cell called zygote, right? So this is the basic concept of sexual reproduction. We'll be moving on and discussing it in detail. Let's see. The second concept is asexual reproduction. So when we are discussing sexual reproduction, we need to discuss asexual reproduction. One is sexual and the other is asexual. Okay, let's see. So who is commenting there? Fermentation and all. What is that?
Ashisha.
Ashisha, what happened? I think you meant fertilization.
Yeah.
So, sexual and asexual reproduction. So, the next heading in your notebook should be what? Asexual reproduction. Let's see what it is. In asexual reproduction, one parent copies itself. Yes, copying. Just copy, paste. That's it. Done. No fusion, no gametes, nothing. Just the parent copies itself to a new organism. Yes, we have your Paul sir with us. Welcome, sir. Okay. So, one parent copies itself to form a new genetically identical offspring. That's the difference. What's the difference? In sexual reproduction, there was combination of two gametes. Here, there is no combination happening. What about asexual reproduction? A single parent copies itself and paste it into a new organism. Just copy paste. Done. Do you know any yeah.
It's chapter 6.
Yes, this is chapter 6, reproduction in animals. Very good. We'll be moving on to the conservation of plants and animals in the upcoming session, because already we were discussing the microbes and all, right? Microorganisms front and forth. That was our last chapter, right? So I thought you would be getting bored with the dry topic. So I thought I would give you something fresh and new and interesting. And then we'll move on to the conservation part and all. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. So Asexual reproduction is the one where the parent copies itself to form a new offspring. That's the point. That's the point. Yeah. In between, I was asking you, do you know any examples for asexual reproduction? Any organisms doing this particular phenomenon? Just give me some comments. Give me some comments. Very good. Amoeba is an example. Amoeba is an animal, right? It is a living organism, but it can copy itself into its babies, right? Amoeba just copy paste itself into the babies. That means the genetic material of the parent amoeba and the genetic material of the baby amoeba would be same. Okay, so let's see. Here it's your amoeba. I'm just trying to show you the process. So here you have a full amoeba. The amoeba is replicating its nucleus, its cytoplasmic products and all. And yes, here you can see the phenomenon called binary fission. Have you heard the term? Have you heard the term binary fission? Yeah, binary fission is nothing but basically splitting. A single animal splits into two. And here we have the daughters. Yes, the daughter cells are here. Why not son cells? Why daughter cells? Huh? Why? In biology, we always said daughter cells. Why not son cells? What is this indifferentiate thing happening? What is it? So basically, both of them in biology we call them as daughter cells. The offsprings of the parent is called daughter cells. Yeah. So this is basically an example. Amoeba is an example. The binary fission happening in amoeba is an example of an asexual reproduction. Yeah, discrimination. I know. Who is that? Devnanda?
No, it's Devjit.
Yes, Devjit. It's it is. But what to do? It is like that. Okay. So that's it. This is the first intro part for your chapter. I basically explained what reproduction is, what are the uses of reproduction, and then we discussed sexual and asexual reproduction. Done. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, they are giving thumbs up.
Yes, then let me see some reactions. Give me some emojis to show your love. Yeah, you can react or comment or whatever. Yeah, I know my look changed. I know. Yeah, I changed for you.
Yeah, everyone liked this time, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, everyone is responding, right?
Yes.
I hope no
Look
one
at the
is left
comment
out.
box.
Oh. Too much comments. Yes, thank you for the love. Yes. Yes. Yes, Aman, can you unmute Aman?
Yes, Aman, can you please raise your hand?
Where is Aman? What happened, Aman?
Yeah, just a second, ma'am.
As I told you, I'll be staying back for you after a little bit time. Yeah, once I complete a little bit topic for you, I'll be staying back for you. There you can clear
Aman.
your doubts or whatever. Aman,
Yes, miss.
what happened, Aman? Are you not following me?
I was
Yeah. That's okay. No issues. If you are late to the class, this is your first time. I hope this is the first time you're doing it, right?
What?
This is the first time you're doing it, right? You are not always late. Okay. So you can take the recorded classes and go back. Okay. Or I can stay back for you at the end of the session. So we will talk to each other.
Ma'am, we are live today, so this class is available on YouTube.
Yes, that too. We are going live, so it's already there in YouTube. Otherwise, I'll be staying back for you. Don't worry, I'll be here. Yes. So now I'm moving on. Yes. Let's look into the details of sexual reproduction. Yes, I told you. The first slides were just an intro. Now we are going to the in-depth. So, yes. Fasten your seatbelts. Get ready. Yes. So, sexual reproduction. So here, as we have already discussed, a female and a male gamete fuses to form a zygote. That is the entire concept of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing other than fusion of two gametes. There will be a female gamete, there will be a male gamete and they fuses at one point. Here you have the zygote. That's it. The entire concept, entire phenomenon of sexual reproduction is that. The whole concept is there in this one sentence. Okay. And this zygote, that single product formed from the male and female parent, is called zygote, which is a single cell. It is from that single cell these huge organisms are developing. Let it be a human, a cat, a dog, an elephant, whatever it is, let it be small organisms or bigger organisms. Every organisms were once a single cell, and that single cell is called zygote. Never forget this term, zygote. This zygote develops into a new individual. I hope that's clear. It's crystal clear, right? Okay. So, here I would like to show you an animation. So, Agarsh, are we ready? Let's give them some entertainment.
Yes.
Yeah. So please put your pens down and look onto the screen. Here you will get a clear picture about sexual reproduction. Yeah. Okay. So this is, can you please pause? Yeah. So this is basically a male reproductive organ. Not games. What games? Oh, I thought
It's
you
for
are
entertainment.
Okay. Okay. So this is basically a male reproductive organ. We'll be studying it in very detail in the upcoming session. So let me just give you an animation for an idea. Okay. Okay, sir. Please play. So here is a male reproductive organ, and male reproductive organ produces what? Yeah, pause, sir. Yeah. Male reproductive organ produces male gametes. And what is the name? We call male gametes as sperm, right? Sperm, or it's also called a spermatozoa. Yeah, we'll be studying it in detail. So, a male reproductive organ produces sperms. Okay, let's see. And this is basically a female reproductive organ. This is a female reproductive organ. Yeah, with the uterus and all. Yeah. This is a female reproductive organ. And female reproductive organ should be producing female gametes. What is a female gamete called? Yes. Okay, sir already show you the answer.
But before that also,
yeah, you're commenting, right? Yeah, very good. The female gamete is called an egg, or it is called an ovum, right? Ovum. In plural, we call it ova. Yeah, it can be an egg or an ovum. In plural, we call it eggs or ova. Yes. So, eggs. Then what happens? Yeah, so there is sperms, there are eggs. What should be happening? They should be fusing. Yes, they are fusing with each other. And there we get a zygote. Yeah, the single cell. The zygote is dividing. Yeah, it keeps dividing. There you have a baby. Yes, that's everything about sexual reproduction. Is it clear? Is the concept clear? Yeah, it's simple, right? So Agarsh sir will be playing the animation for you once again. Yeah. Yes, sir. Please look onto the screen. Let's see how a baby comes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. ഇതൊരു മെയിൽ റീപ്രൊഡക്റ്റീവ് സിസ്റ്റം ആണ്. മെയിൽ റീപ്രൊഡക്റ്റീവ് സിസ്റ്റം പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഗമീറ്റ് ആണ് sperms, right? Spermatozoa. And also we have female reproductive system. Every female reproductive system? Yeah. We have female reproductive system. Female reproductive system will be producing eggs. Allengil ovum ennu parayam. Yeah. And ഈ spermum ovum kuda fuse ചെയ്യുന്ന process വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് എന്തുണ്ടായി വരുന്നത്? Zygote, right? Zygote ഇങ്ങനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. Zygote female ബോഡിക്കുള്ളിൽ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് and it develops into a new individual, an offspring. Yeah. Is it clear? So in between, yes sir, thank you. Let me ask you, what is this process called? What is this process called? The process of combination of a male gamete with a female gamete is called what? Yeah, I'll write it for you. So we have a sperm which combines with an egg and we get a zygote. The zygote becomes a new individual. What is this process called? Yes, very good. Fizza. Is it Fizza? Fizza, Parvana, what is it?
Yes, I think
yeah,
first
yeah,
one
yeah.
to come in this.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes.
No, ma'am, it's Devika. Okay.
Devika.
Pizza,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
very
okay.
good. Parvana,
Very good. This entire process is called fertilization. Fertilization. Yes, and we will be seeing the whole concept in the upcoming classes. Yes. So just keep it in mind, this whole process is called fertilization, and fertilization is the basic of sexual reproduction. Done. I hope it's clear. Is it clear? If you give me the head shake, I'll show you the next slides. Give me the head shake. Let me see the energy.
Yes,
Are you tired? Yeah.
No, they're shaking.
Okay. Okay. So now we need to discuss the concepts of male reproductive organs and female reproductive organs. Okay. So let's see in detail how a male reproductive organ look like, how a female reproductive organ look like. Yeah, let's see how it is. So the next portion will be your new heading, male reproductive organs. Yes, male reproductive organs. So give the heading and ready to take the notes. Yeah. So the male reproductive organ consists of a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. Yeah. A male reproductive organ consists of a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. Yeah. Just write it down. I'll show you what it is. I'll show you how it is. Yeah. Just write down the terms. Did you write it? Which are the three major parts of male reproductive organs? Yeah, there is a pair. A pair means kitna? എത്ര ഉണ്ട്? ഒരു pair എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എത്രയാ? ഒരു pair എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എത്ര ഉണ്ടാവും? ഒരു 5-6 കാണോ? ഒരു 5-10 എണ്ണം? ഒരു 3-4 Yeah, two. Yes. So a pair means two. So there is two testes, two sperm ducts, and a single penis. Right? Let's see. Sir, can you play the animation, please? Please look onto the screen. Get an idea how a male reproductive organ looks like. Yeah. Please look onto the screen. Yeah, come back. Yeah. Yes, sir. So this is basically how a male reproductive organ looks like. And we have, which are the parts? Yes, pause. So these ball-like structures are called testes. T-E-S. Testes is plural. Okay. And in singular we call it T-E-S. Testes. It's the singular form. So we have a pair of testes and then second. Yeah. And then we have a penis. A penis or penis. Both pronunciations are correct. A penis or penis. So penis is the second major part of a male reproductive organ. And then there is one more part. Which is the part? You just wrote it. Yeah, the sperm duct. Pause it, sir. Sperm duct. Duct means? Duct എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താ സാധാരണ? ആർക്കറിയാം? എന്തോ ഒരു സാധനമുള്ളത്. Duct എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ? Yeah, you can keep commenting. അത് മാം ഞാൻ സംസാരിച്ചേ പറയുള്ളൂ, അങ്ങനെയാണോ? എനിക്ക് ഡക്ട് അല്ല മോനു, ഡക്റ്റഡാ, ഡക്ട്. DUCT.
എനിക്കൊരു ഗസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇവരാരും പറഞ്ഞില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഗസ് ചെയ്യാം.
മഹിമ മാമിന് അവസരമുണ്ട്. So what is duct?
ഇവിടെ
container, tape. അത് ശരി, ഇത് പുതിയതാണല്ലോ.
Vessel.
Very good. Vessel is okay. Vessel is acceptable. Okay. ഒരു കുഴല്, ഒരു ട്യൂബ്, ഒരു വെസൽ. ഡക്റ്റ് ടേപ്പിൽ പോയി അതാണ് അത്രയൊന്നും പോണ്ട ഒരു കുഴല് ഞാൻ അത്ര ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചുള്ളൂ. സോ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദ സ്പേം ഡക്ട്. ദിസ് ഇസ് ബേസിക്കലി എ കുഴൽ, റൈറ്റ്? ഒരു കുഴല് പോലെ ഇല്ലേ അത്? ഒരു വെസല്, ഒരു ട്യൂബ്, നമ്മളൊരു PVC പൈപ്പ് എടുത്ത് വളച്ചു വെക്കുന്ന ഒരു സെറ്റപ്പ്, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. സോ ദാറ്റ് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് പൈപ്പ് ലൈക്ക് സ്ട്രക്ചർ അതുകൊണ്ട് രണ്ടെണ്ണം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് സ്പേം ഡക്ട്. ആ പേരിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പാസേജ് വേ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. Parvati or Parvana? Who is that? Parvana. Yes. Yeah. So yes, please play it again, sir. So this is basically how a male reproductive no, we can conclude it. Stop the animation. Yes, stop the animation. So this is basically how a male reproductive organ looks like. Are you ready? Are you ready for the notes? Alkka sir is like, don't play with me like that. ഇടയ്ക്ക് പ്ലേ ചെയ്യാൻ പറയും, ഇടയ്ക്ക് പ്ലേ ചെയ്യണ്ടെന്ന് പറയും. ആയുധം വെച്ചുള്ള കളിയാന്നൊക്കെ പറയണേ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹൂ ഈസ് റെഡി? ഞാൻ ഈ പിക്ചർ ലേബിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകും. ദിസ് ഇസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. യു വിൽ ഹാവ് ടു ഡ്രോ ആൻഡ് ലേബിൾ ദ റീപ്രൊഡക്റ്റീവ് സിസ്റ്റംസ്. ആൻഡ് ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു ആർ ഫെമിലിയർ വിത്ത് ദ ടേംസ് നൗ. There are only 3 parts. Yes, I have so many hand raises.
A lot of hand raises.
That's the energy.
Shan Rashid was the first one to raise his hand.
Yes,
so
we shouldn't. First one first.
Yeah. Yes, Shan. You can unmute, okay?
Shan. It is Shan.
Shan Rashid.
Shan, where are you? Where is he?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Hi, Shan.
2 touches.
Oh, wait a moment. Hi. Let me say hi.
Just the energy of the
Yeah, that's the energy. Alkka sir is saying like, that's the energy of my kids. They're ready with the answers and all. He's boasting.
You should see the energy of my kids.
Here we have your Paul sir, and Paul sir is boasting about his. Thank you, ma'am. Mahima ma'am is leaving. Say bye bye.
Yes,
Yeah.
bye guys. Bye.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have your Paul sir for your support now. 1 second, is Shan. So Paul sir was boasting about his kids, his students. So do not give up, okay? Show your energy. He's saying that his kids are better. Don't.
No, I didn't
Yeah,
mention like that, ma'am. I
No?
was just making fun.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Your kids are also my kids, right?
Right. There are kids. Okay. So can we talk to who are we talking to? Shan. Shan.
2 touches.
Oh, let me say hi. How are
Hi.
you? Good evening.
Good evening.
അങ്ങനെ എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് പറ. ചായ കുടിച്ചോ? എന്നാ ഇനി പറ. ഞാൻ ലേബിൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പാട്ട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. So I label one part. You need to tell me what that part is. Just one part. Okay. So Shan, which is this part?
Post duct.
What duct?
Post duct.
No dear. Where do you get that term? What duct?
Oral duct.
No. Oh my God. Okay, I'll get you a helpline. I'll get you a helpline. Yeah, I can see the comments. Yes. Okay. Sir, pick me someone else. Very quick.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me see first.
moment.
Person.
Vinaya.
Vinaya. Binaya. Yes, Binaya. Tell me. Help Shan. Shan is like, I've just forgot it. It's okay, Shan. Binaya will help you. Binaya will help you. Very good. This duct-like, tube-like portion is called. Yeah, I got it. You can mute her.
Okay.
It's called sperm duct. Very good. Thank you. What happened? Okay. Okay. So what about the next part? Who is ready? Yes. Who is waving, sir? The third row, first one.
Pranav.
I know you all are ready. I'm so sorry. We only have 3 parts. What to do? Who is it?
Pranav.
Pranav. What is this called?
Testis.
Very good. This is called testis. Since I'm labeling just one part, it is testis. T-E-S-T-I-S. If it is plural, it would be. If I'm labeling the 2 parts together, then it would be. Yeah, it would be അതിങ്ങനെ തന്നെ വ്യത്യാസമൊന്നുമില്ല. TSTES. Okay, that will be the plural form. Okay, രണ്ടും നമ്മൾ കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ് ആവരുത്. ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ രണ്ടും കാണും. Okay, thank you. And who was that?
Pranav.
Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Thank you. And one more chance. Who is ready? Varun. ബാക്കി ആരും വഴക്കുണ്ടാക്കരുത്. ഐ എം വെരി സോറി. 3 പാർട്സ് ഉള്ളൂ. എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? Varun, which is the remaining part?
It's penis.
Very good. And which is it?
It's the center part.
Yes. And this part is the penis or penis, right? That's it. These 3 constitutes the male reproductive organ. I hope you got it, right? Okay. What you can do is, I'll remove the labels so you can take a screenshot and try to draw it on your own. Not now, I guess.
I'm not your kid. I'm my parents' kid.
I'm not your kid, I'm my parents' kid. Who is that? Who is that thug?
Pizza, pizza.
That's very correct, Pizza. That's very correct. You're first your parents' kid. Only then you are someone else's. Very good. Venda. What's the prashna? Okay. So please take a screenshot and I want you to draw beautiful picture. Okay. Please draw the diagram in the next class and show me. Okay. I'll be asking your class teachers. Please take a screenshot or you have it in your NCERT text anyway. I hope you got it. Yes. Now we'll see each and every part in detail. Yes. Okay. So the first part is testis, right? The first part is testis. Let's see. Which is testis? I hope you got it. The ball-like structure, right? The globular portion of the male reproductive organ, right? Okay. So testis is plural. Singular is also testis. Pronunciation is same. It is TES. Okay. So testis is situated outside the abdominal cavity. Yeah. So testes are placed outside the abdominal cavity and it is secured inside a pouch called scrotum. Yeah, scrotum. SCROTUM. Yes.
Is that a vowel sound?
Okay, what is it?
Is that a vowel sound? I was just asking some. I was
giving
making
some.
funny.
I was trying to give some comments.
Okay.
No, I was trying to read the comment. What is it, sir? No, the middle one.
The middle one? Who is that?
No. The comment.
What is the middle one?
I think he asked something. Okay. So testis is basically placed outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch called scrotum. Okay. And the pouch helps to maintain the temperature. Okay. Yes.
You guys are so funny.
Of course we are. Actually, when we come on the screen, we reduce our studies.
Yes, okay.
കുറച്ച് decent ആണ് ഇവിടെ.
Your teacher is one of the best accounting department of Bangalore.
Yeah, after Paul sir.
No.
Okay. So, it is secured inside a pouch-like structure. ഒരു pouch പോലെ, ഒരു sack ഒക്കെ പോലെ ഒരു structureനുള്ളിലാണ് testis safe ആയിട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. And that pouch is called scrotum. And basically, as you can see, the testes are oval-shaped. And this is the site of gamete production. Very important point. Site of gamete production. Which is the gamete of male? Let me see the comments. Which is the gamete produced by male reproductive organ? Sperm.
Yes, that's right.
Very good. And this sperm is produced from where? It is produced from the testis. So testis is the site of production of sperms. Is it clear? Done. Yeah, I hope you got all the points. They're simple points. Yeah.
You all are like little LKG, so funny and also fight like little kids.
Yeah, I know. I'm a little matured, not Not me. Okay. So the second one is sperm duct. So which is the sperm duct? Where is Shan? Shan, now you got the heading. It is sperm duct. Duct duct, Shan, it is sperm duct. So this tube-like structure, right? This tube-like structure is called sperm duct. And let's see. Sperm duct is also called vas deferens. Sperm duct is also called vas deferens. It's another name, a technical name for sperm duct. ഈ കുഴലിനെ വിളിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ടെക്നിക്കൽ ടേം ആണ് vas deferens. And as the name suggests, sperm duct. അപ്പോൾ അത് എന്തിനെ കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന ഡക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും? ആരെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാനുള്ള കുഴലായിരിക്കും? It will be carrying sperms. Yes. So it carries sperm from the testis to the penis. That is, we already said, right? Which is the site of production of sperm? Where is sperm produced basically? It is produced here, right? In the testis. And from the testis, it should be carried to the outside. And this carrying on happens through the sperm duct. So, the carrying of sperm from the testis to the penis happens through sperm duct. Is it clear? Is it clear? Or what? Yeah, if it is clear, give me a head shake. Let me see. Any confusions happening? Okay, it's clear. Of course, it should be clear.
I want to see their head nod.
Yeah, they'll give you the head nod.
Okay.
Give some head nods. Let me see. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see the head nods. Yeah,
Very
yeah.
energetic, right?
Yeah. They're so energetic.
Because
Yeah.
you are teaching biology, right?
Yes.
That's why they are so energetic.
Okay, thank you. I'll take the compliment. Okay. And finally, the third and final part of male reproductive system is penis or penis. Okay. So penis is the male external genitalia. Okay. Male external genitalia. The part of the male reproductive system which is external, which is outside the body. Okay. Both the other parts, both testis as well as the sperm duct, we cannot see it from the outside, right? But the male external genitalia, it is placed externally. So this is the major part of male reproductive system and it is the external part. Okay. And yeah, I'll show you it in the picture. Here, this whole portion is what we call as penis, right? This whole portion is called penis. And the gland, the most bulged structure here, this portion, the bulged end of penis is what we call as glans penis. Okay, the portion where the penis is bulged out, it's a little bit larger in size, that ending portion. Okay, the projecting outside, the part which is projected a little bit outside, and this portion is called glans penis. It is called glans penis. Okay. Do you get the portion? Is the portion clear? Penis and the edge bulged portion is called glans penis. Yeah. Just for your information. That's all. The enlarged end of the penis is called glans penis. Yes, here you have our next biology faculty, Priya ma'am. Yes, welcome ma'am.
The senior faculty, Anna.
Yes.
Biology.
Yes, very most senior.
Senior faculty.
It's very not approachable.
Yes. Very not approachable. Okay.
ചുമ്മാ Priya ma'am is so friendly and very comfortable. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. ആൾ സീനിയർ ആണെങ്കിലും she's just very friendly with us.
She's just like a Santoor mom.
അതെ സന്തൂർ മമ്മാണ്. Okay. So yes guys, that's pretty much about the male reproductive system. Yes Fisa, ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറയൂ, ഞാൻ ഓർക്കുന്നില്ല. Okay. So this is pretty much about the male reproductive system. ഞാനൊന്നും കാണുന്നില്ല. So that's it. Okay. So can we move on to the next part of reproductive system? What is it? What is the next reproductive system? system that we need to study. Male reproductive system is done. So it should be the next part. It should be female reproductive system. But before that, we need to study a little thing in detail. Yeah. Before going to the female reproductive system, we need to study another portion of male reproductive system. Yeah, very good. It is sperm. Yes. So before that, let me give you a question. You have your Tindumon. So tell me.
Where is Tindumon?
The site of male gamete production in human beings. The site of male gamete production in human beings. So who is going to talk to me? Let me, yeah. Who is ready to give me the answer? Tindumon answer ariyunnu. Again sir ariya. Okay. Ready on
Yes.
I don't want to ignore any one of you. So who is the first one that raised the hand?
Najma.
Najma. Najma or Najwa?
Najma.
Najma. Najma, give me the answer very quick. We don't have time to waste. The site of male gamete production in human beings. Which is it? Which is the part? Yeah, you know it. സമയത്ത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. എന്താ മറന്നുപോയോ? പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ആവുന്ന സ്പേം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് എവിടെയാ? നമ്മൾ മെയിൽ റീപ്രൊഡക്റ്റീവില് 3 പാർട്സ് പഠിച്ചു. There is testis, there is sperm duct, and there is penis. Which is the part sperm is produced? Yeah, I have so many comments. Yeah. What happened? Okay, then can I get someone else?
Okay.
It's okay, no problem. പെട്ടെന്ന് പേര് വിളിക്കുമ്പോഴേ ലൈവ് ഒക്കെ അല്ലേ ടെൻഷൻ ആവും. സാരി. It's okay. So who is the next one? Jodhindra. Where is he? Yeah, so which is the part? Which is the site of male gamete production?
Testis.
Very good. Testis is the part which produces sperm. Okay, the second question for you is, male gamete of human beings is called dash. Who is ready? Yeah. So my kids are ready. Give me someone. Yes. Who is it? Yeah.
Razi.
We have
Razi.
Razid. Yes, Razi. Yes,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
male
Sperm.
gamete is called sperm or spermatozoa, right? I know all the other hand raises. I'm very sorry, but I'll be getting back to you. You can comment too, okay? ഞാൻ വിളിക്കുന്നില്ല എന്ന് കണ്ടാൽ കമന്റ് ആദ്യം കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇട്ടോണം. അങ്ങനെ പുറകോട്ട് മാറി നിന്നേക്കരുത്. വിളിച്ചില്ല പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്.
മിസ്സിന്റെ കുട്ടികൾ പുറകോട്ടേക്ക് മാറി നിൽക്കുന്ന എനിക്ക് ഒരു കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ഉണ്ട്.
അതാണ് ആരുടെ കുട്ടികൾ. So ആകാശാണ് ഇവിടെ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര ഫാൻസാ ഇവിടെ. എന്റെ പിള്ളേരാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. Oh my god. Okay. So the site of male gamete production is testis and the male gamete of human beings is called sperm. Okay. Okay. So let's discuss a little bit thing about sperm now. So the next heading will be sperm. So sperm is the male gamete, right? It's a male gamete. So sperms are very small in size, right? It is microscopic. They are very small in size. It has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Very important. Sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Yeah. It has a head, a middle piece and a tail. And sperm is a single cell. As we said, zygote is a single cell. Just like that, sperm is also a single cell. This is tissues structure. Just a cell. One cell. That's it. Yes, Aman. So, just one cell, that is sperm. Okay. So, which are the major parts of sperm? Sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. By heart on the agenda, I'll show you. Is it over? Are you done? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So can you play the animation, August sir? Okay, I'll show you the structure of a sperm. So sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Let's see. Okay, pause. So this is basically how a sperm looks like, right? This is basically how a sperm looks like. Now let's see which is the head part of the sperm. Which is the head part, you can already see. Yeah, this is the head portion of the sperm. The head portion of the sperm. And then what? Pause. And inside the head, there is a globular, a spherical structure called nucleus. We already said that sperm is a single cell. ഒരു സെല്ല് നിങ്ങൾ വരച്ചാൽ എങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കും? ഒരു സെല്ല് നിങ്ങളോട് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ നോർമലി എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കും? ഒരു റൗണ്ടഡ് സ്ട്രക്ചറോ ഒരു റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ സ്ട്രക്ചറോ വരച്ചിട്ട് അതിനുള്ളിൽ ഒരു ന്യൂക്ലിയസ് ഒക്കെ വരയ്ക്കത്തില്ലേ? So cell has a what? A nucleus. Since sperm is a single cell, sperm also has all the structures just like a cell. It has nucleus, it has mitochondria, it has cell organelles in it. So this is the first organelle inside the sperm, which is nucleus. So where is the nucleus present in a sperm? It is present in the head of the sperm. Okay, clear? Is the concept clear? Okay, then next. Yeah, here we have the second part of the sperm, which is the middle piece of sperm. Middle piece. So there is head, then we have middle piece. And what is inside the middle piece? Yes, sir. What is there? What is there? You don't know. Let's see. So inside the middle piece, there is a mitochondria. Have you heard mitochondria? You should have heard. It is like a snake. Yeah, whatever it is. So inside the middle piece, there is another cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Okay. And then what? The final part. Head is there, middle piece is there. Then what to come? Yeah, the final part. Yeah, the final part is tail. Tail is the final part. Yeah. Is it clear? Is it clear? So this is the basic structure of a sperm or a spermatozoa. It is a single cell. This is the male gamete and it has a head portion with the nucleus, middle piece with the mitochondria and the tail region. Are we clear? Is the concept clear? If it is clear, then give me a head shake. Shake your head. Come on. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay. Fine. So let me ask you this question. Your Tinderone is here. So why do only male gametes have a tail? Why do only male gametes have a tail? Huh? Actually, when we discuss the female organ, we'll study that the egg basically looks like a ball. That's it. It's a ball-like structure. There is no tail or head or anything. It's quite boring. Then why do the sperm has a tail? Why do male gamete has tail? Yeah. Why is it so? Why is it so? Any idea? I know you all have some ideas with you. Yeah. Several hand raises. You can comment your ideas too. So it is simple. The male gamete is the one which should be motile. That is, male gamete is the one who should move. നീങ്ങേണ്ട നാള് അതായത് ഫ്യൂഷൻ നടക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റിനാണ് ഫീമെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റിന്റെ അടുത്ത് എത്തേണ്ടത്. സോ ദ മെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ വൺ ഹൂ ഷുഡ് ബി മോട്ടൈൽ, ഹൂ ഷുഡ് ബി ഏബിൾ ടു മൂവ്. ആ മൂവ്മെന്റ് കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്ട്രക്ചർ ആണ് ദ ടെയിൽ പാർട്ട് ഇൻ സ്പെർം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വൈ മെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റ് ഹാസ് എ ടെയിൽ ലൈക്ക് റീജിയൻ വൈൽ ദ ഫീമെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റ് ഡസൻറ്റ് ഹാവ്. ഫീമെയിൽ ഗമീറ്റിന് അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നാൽ മതി, ജസ്റ്റ് ഹി വിൽ റീച്ച് ടു യു. ഓക്കെ, കിട്ടിയോ? അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. സോ the tail is basically for the motility or the movement. Okay. Okay. So now let's see the parts of sperm. Sperm basically has a whole plasma membrane around it. It is a cell, right? ഒരു സെല്ലിന് plasma membrane ഉള്ളതുപോലെ തന്നെ sperm also has a whole plasma membrane covering around its body. That is the first point to be noted. A plasma membrane is present which envelops the whole sperm. And after that we said there is the first part, that is head part, right? So give head, and then what is present in the head? In the sperm head there is elongated haploid nucleus. Haploid means It is half chromosome number. Chromosome complete ആയിട്ട് spermilo eggilo കാണില്ല, half number കാണും. Okay, അത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയായിരിക്കുമല്ലോ concept. Why is there half chromosomes ഉള്ളത്? Why only half of the chromosome is present in sperm? എന്നാലല്ലേ half spermum half എഗ്ഗിന്റെ chromosomes കൂടെ combine ചെയ്ത് ഒരു full zygote ഉണ്ടാവുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ full chromosome വരുള്ളൂ. Right? The sperm and egg is fusing, right? Yeah, ആ ഫ്യൂഷന്റെ സമയത്ത് നമ്പർ കറക്റ്റ് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് സ്പെർമിലും എഗ്ഗിലും ഒക്കെ ക്രോമസോം നമ്പർ ഹാഫ് ആക്കി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആ ഹാഫ് കണ്ടീഷനെയാണ് ഹാപ്ലോയിഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഹെഡ് ഓഫ് ദി sperm has an elongated haploid nucleus as well as another structure called acrosome. So when you're writing, you can add on the point, right? Acrosome is a part which is present in the sperm head along with nucleus. Okay, nucleus ne kuda thanne sperm head ilulla oru structure aanu acrosome. And acrosome has several enzymes. It has several enzymes to cleave the egg. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതി വെച്ചോളൂ. To cleave the egg. അതായത് when the sperm is entering inside an egg, നമ്മളത് പഠിക്കും. We'll be studying fertilization in very detail. പക്ഷെ അത് വരുന്നത് വരെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിനെ കുറിച്ചൊരു ഐഡിയ ഇല്ലല്ലോ. So I'll just say this. When the sperm is entering inside an egg, ആ എഗ്ഗിനുള്ളിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ തുളച്ച് കയറാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് സ്പേമിനെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കുറെ എൻസൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ എഗ്ഗിന്റെ പ്ലാസ്മ മെംബ്രെയിനും ഓൾ ദ റിമൈനിങ് ഔട്ടർ കോട്ടിംഗ് ഒക്കെ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഉള്ളിൽ കയറാൻ വേണ്ടി സ്പേമിനെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കുറെ എൻസൈംസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ എൻസൈംസിനെ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്ട്രക്ചർ ആണ് അക്രോസോം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അക്രോസോം. ദിസ് അക്രോസോം is also present in the sperm head. Is it clear? Is the concept clear? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So the second part is middle piece of the sperm. Okay. Middle piece of the sperm has what? It has numerous mitochondria. There are several mitochondria, and as you know, mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell, right? It is the powerhouse of a cell, and this is the part which provides energy. Okay, so as we have already discussed, sperm is a motile cell. It needs motility, right? So for the movement, they need energy. So this energy is received from the mitochondria that is present in the middle part of the sperm. Is it clear? The numerous mitochondria present in the middle piece provides energy to the sperm. And then the final part is tail, and tail is the part which gives a wave-like motion. It helps in the movement of sperm during fertilization. When the sperm is meeting egg, it needs to move. The sperm needs to move to the egg. Wherever the egg is present, the sperm needs to move. So that movement is supported by this wave-like motion of the tail part. Is it clear? Is the concept clear? If the concept is clear, give me some reactions. Let me see the comment section. Concept clear aanengil korchu reactions thanne.
Please nourish your ma'am with
yes
your hearts.
Let me see the response. Ningal ingane mittadirna ente energy thaazhe povum.
Adenne.
Prashnam.
Please nourish your ma'am with your hearts.
Yes.
Yeah, they are. You are getting a lot of comments.
Yeah, am I? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hearts, thumbs up. Very good. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Okay.
You are deliberately avoiding something, right, ma'am?
So that's pretty much about the male reproductive system, and I hope you got a clear-cut idea about the male reproductive system. Isn't it clear? Yeah, right? Yeah, so I know you need to interact certain things, right? There will be certain doubts and all, right? Yeah. So until now, is the concept clear? So from the beginning session, we discussed what reproduction is. We said that reproduction is the type of phenomena where an offspring is produced. Reproduction can be done by asexual way or sexual way. And if it is sexual reproduction, there will be two gametes and the two gametes will be fusing. That process is called fertilization and the zygote will be formed. And in the case of asexual reproduction, the parent basically copies itself to the baby. Right? Yes. So, yeah. So, acrosome is nothing. Acrosome is basically an organelle just like a nucleus. Acrosome, who is that?
It's like Lakshmi Priya.
Yeah, Lakshmi Priya. Acrosome is just another component and another part present inside the cell, and it produces enzymes. It produces hydrolytic enzymes which can cut into the egg of female. Okay, so it's basically that's it. That's about acrosome. What does acrosome mean? It's just an organelle. Like what would you say? What would you say if I ask what is a nucleus or what does a nucleus mean? Acrosome is basically a vesicle. It's a vesicular structure present in the sperm. And enzyme. Enzymes are what? Enzymes are chemical components, right? Enzymes are chemical components which can speed up the process. Enzymes are chemical products which can speed up the process. So, depending upon the type of enzyme, its function varies. So, enzyme means chemical. In simple words, you can call them as chemical. These chemicals can be produced in very trace amount. Very little amount is enough, but they can speed up the process. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so that's pretty much about the class today, and then we discuss the male reproductive organ. Reproductive organ basically has major three parts, which are they? The testicular part, the sperm duct, and the penis part. The penis part. That's it. That's all about male reproductive system. And then we discuss the structure of a sperm. Sperm has a head part, a middle part, and a tail part. Head has an acrosome and a nucleus. The middle part has mitochondria, and the final tail-like portion is the one which gives motility to the sperm. So I think that's enough. Are we good?
Your teaching skills are so awesome, so it's easy to understand. Comments from
Thank you. So is it clear? Is everything clear as of now? Yeah. Today we'll be dealing with the chapter test of your previous chapter. Microorganisms, friend and foe. Yeah. Since we haven't finished your chapter test, we'll be dealing with the chapter test today. Okay. So yeah, you can call your parents. Let's move on to the exam portion. Yeah. Okay. So that's pretty much about it. You guys can stay here, okay? Don't go away. Call your parents. Go back to the chapter test part. Chapter ke eduthu padicho, discuss cheyido. Pettannu chapter ke eduthu tirichu marichu noikyo. Exam undu 10 questions undu, very important. Parents ne vicholu. And yes, and to the YouTube family, thank you so much for joining with us, and thank you for all the comments and for the entertaining session too. So thank you. Let's say goodbye to the YouTube family. Bye-bye. Yeah.